It is Book Recommendation Monday, and today's is a little bit of an early recommendation for Thanksgiving. I know that many elementary school classrooms do like a disguise a turkey activity, and I have the perfect book to introduce that writing prompt. It is Beauty and the Beaks by Mary Jane and Herm Ock, and it is hilarious. When Lance the turkey finds out that he is destined for Thanksgiving dinner, the girls down at the Chic Hen, the barnyard beauty shop, give him an egg stream makeover to hide him from the farmer. It is so funny. There are tons of puns in here that your kids will get and think are funny, but there are a bunch of puns in here that are going to go straight over their head, but that are funny for adults. So this Beauty and the Beaks, it is the perfect intro to your disguise a turkey prompt, and I will include a link for it in the bio if you want to check it out.